In a chef's world, every detail matters. The finest ingredients, the most skilled hands, the perfect recipe. All of it hinges on one thing, the cookware. It's the difference between creating a masterpiece or a misfire. So, we put Wolstead to the ultimate test. One renowned chef, two identical dishes, two different sets of cookware. What happens when they're put side by side?
My name's Cameron Cansdell. I'm the culinary director here at Wildflower at Bells at Kilcare. I'm very interested to see if Wolstead can handle the heat of the kitchen. To get a good rolling boil, you'll need a pot that will retain the heat that'll cook the pasta evenly. While the pasta's on, grab a handful of local Pipis. Then I steam them in a very hot pan with a dash of white wine. If you can't get Pipis, you can use mussels or vongole. Steam them over a very high heat. A tight fitting lid is very important here. As soon as they start to open, add some sea urchin butter that's made with local sea urchins, garlic, a little lemon zest in some cultured butter. Okay, it's looking good. I'm going to add the zucchini flowers now to walk down. It's vital to have a pan that has even heat. I've got to say, this Wolstead pan is really holding its own. And then add the fresh house-made spaghetti. A little pasta water is good. Then finish with some parsley from the garden. Look at the gloss on that. Then mix the sauce through and season. And it's ready to plate. Okay, that's perfect. Looks pretty similar to the first one I made. Simple, easy if you have fresh ingredients and good pots. Look at that.
Wolstead. Quality and affordability go side by side.